Well, stuff and things. That's where it's at. Okay. Yeah. So, what brings you to Thailand? Ooh, look at the lovely flower. You want to pick a flower, Jim? The bird says not to. And you should always listen to the birds. Yeah. I don't know what's going on up here, but we're going to something. Yeah. The nice thing about smaller places in Thailand is you just head towards the loud music. So what should we do today? Should we find you some meat on a stick? Yeah? You want to count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what do you think? Should we go up here? Think it's a good idea? I think it's a good idea. Yeah. Right? And you wanted to take a motorbike like a sucker. You silly bastard. I see somebody jumping around. That looks like you're kind of fun. Should we get some beer? It's today Junior's first time trying beer. I don't know. It's just weird like that. We decide to go for a walk and there's loud music and people jumping on trucks. Well, I don't know.